In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to take to remove a Google account from all of your devices and log out of Gmail safely. Many people stay logged into multiple devices without realizing it, which can put your personal information at risk. The good news is that Google makes it very simple to manage your logins and make sure you stay in control. This process only takes a few minutes, so let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Google browser. Once it's opened, look to the top right-hand corner of the page. You should see your account profile icon. If you've uploaded a profile picture, that's what will appear here. If not, it will show the first initial of your name inside a colored circle. Go ahead and click on that icon. A small menu will appear with several options related to your Google account. From this menu, select the option labeled Manage Your Google Account. Clicking on it will bring you to the central dashboard where all of your Google account settings live. This is where you can control things like security, privacy, and personalization. On the left-hand side of this dashboard, you'll see a list of different sections. What you want to do here is click on the tab labeled Security. Once the security page loads, scroll down until you reach a section called Your Devices. This section shows you a quick overview of all the devices that are currently signed into your Google account. It's a really useful way to see if your account is active on a phone, tablet, laptop, or any other device. Now, click on Manage All Devices. This is a step that takes you to the complete list of devices connected to your account. You'll see each device listed with details such as type, location, and the last time it was used. This is where you can carefully look through and decide which devices you want to remove. When you found a device you don't want signed in anymore, simply click on it. A new window will open with options specific to that device. Look for the button that says Sign Out. Clicking this will immediately log that device out of your Google account. From that moment on, it will no longer have access to your Gmail, Drive, or any of your other Google services. If you want to go even further, Google also provides an option to sign out of all other web sessions. This is especially handy if you've ever logged into your Gmail on a public computer, at a library, in a workplace, or even on a friend's device. By selecting this, you ensure that every single browser session except the one you're currently using will be logged out. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few quick clicks, you've taken control of your Google account and made sure that no unwanted devices are hanging onto your information. It's a small step, but one that can give you peace of mind and keep your account secure. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy managing.